Alright, so I am done recovering the Freon. We're not gonna need this for the next, who knows, right? 30 minutes maybe, or an hour. Stand by. Then we can unplug the negative battery cable right here. There you go. And disconnect this guy. I like to store this one here all the time so I don't forget it. Alright guys, so I'm using my 12mm to remove these two hoses. Okay, so this one is out, but even though I recover the system, this might have some pressure in it too. Just be careful when you pull this out. It should not have any pressure, but always careful. Just want to come out. I'm gonna look away. There we go. Did you guys hear that? There's still pressure out here even though all the Freon are recovered. Then I'm gonna work on this guy up here. Oh, there we go. It works. Alright, so they are both out. Then we have to disconnect this one up here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this bracket. It's gonna be a lot easier. This one is 8mm. There you go. Oh, look at this. I don't like it. Yep. This color is a little darker than normal. The compressor is bad. Okay. Then we gotta go ahead and undo this 14mm. There's 3 of them, and then disconnect those 2 connectors up there. Alright, I'm using my 12mm to break this thing loose. Okay, let's go ahead and speed up the process here. Okay, now we have all kind of room, or at least enough room to unplug those connectors Let's try this one first. Oh my goodness, I hate this connector. There we go. Then this one has some kind of like locking pin right there we gotta deal with. I got this tool, 90-degree angle. Come on. Got a lot more room to put it down. Right there. There we go. Oh, come on, bud. Oh yeah, it's out. There we go. Awesome. All right, it is out, and look at the condition here, guys. I'm gonna use my cell phone so I can show you guys a lot better. Alright guys, so here it is. Ooh. This one is dry there. Huh. Oh well. I don't know guys if they forgot to put oil in here, but I'm not getting any. And look, it's all like metal flakes inside. This is done.